Okay, so itong bracket na to, parang ito yung paano ko ba i-explain? Parang pinaka may fair, hindi anyone can take. Tama ba? Ganun ko ba siya i-explain? Kasi parang for takers, like anyone can take it. Boss Glory from Indonesia. Understandable that they're a very strong team pag maganda yung gising nila. Pero pag hindi maganda yung gising nila, bad beats. Fireflux Esports, sobrang lupit ng Turkish Delight ni Narosa. Diba nila Bad Galsef, pero once na nabasa yon, what's next? Ninjas in Pajamas Flash, or what we would call the Nip Flash. Andyan sila Hades, andyan sila Curtizy. Sila ang pinakamalakas sa Singapore. And they bring Singapore higher this time around, or will this be same part of history? And then yung RRQ Akira, ever since na-establish sila, lagi silang present. Pero will they just be physically present and not and absent in like the higher portions? I think this is a group that has a lot of things to prove. Like itong grupo na to may gustong